All right, good evening. Finally got to the vlog today. It is Friday, June 11th, 2021. Busy day, and it is vlog 107. And what is today, Carrie?
It's meme day.
It's meme day. So she's laughing all day. She's Miss Giggles as soon as we got home today. We were busy, actually. It was kind of cool. But we sold 4 hand pans today. It was awesome. Great customers. I love our hand pan customers. They're awesome. But let's see, yesterday, Thursday, actually woke up late with Carrie. We were tired. And we ended up getting Blue Bowl for lunch, or brunch. Our favorite spot, Blue Bowl. It was good. I've been wanting like fruits and veggies lately. It's been crazy. But that was good. Then I worked on Thinkific videos. Went to the weed store. Finished the Thinkific videos. Had poke bowl for dinner. And that was pretty much chill day on Thursday. Friday, let's see what I do. Oh yeah, today we went to DII early. Or no, we had an appointment at 12, so we went to get late breakfast for me and a coffee for Carrie, and then went to DII for some appointments. But today was pretty warm, actually. I'm gonna show you. Yesterday I couldn't get my phone to show, but now I think I got it. Let me see. Oh yes, I do. But today was pretty nice. Lakewood, it was like 80 something. Lakewood is always like 10 degrees hotter in Lakewood. But it's 72 right now. We had a high of 77, and this weekend looks like it's gonna get hotter. So it is kind of warm since it's been like cool for us, like 50s, 60s. Now it's gonna be 50s, 70s, so it's a bigger spread. Awesome, great for the sinuses. But yeah, we went over to DII, did a virtual appointment at 12 with Ollie and Francois. That was an awesome appointment. Actually, we kind of looked him up afterwards. Francois is a professor of education or some pretty crazy. And then Ollie, lives in a commune in Portland, or in Oregon, and plays ukulele. That's Francois' son. And they heard about the handpan and wanted to get one. And I was like, wow, that's awesome. And they bought like 3 of them. It was pretty cool. A Rav drum also. That was pretty awesome. But good people. It's kind of cool. Even on a virtual call, it was kind of cool to talk to them. And then Ryan came in from Yucaipa and was checking out handpans. He went to a sound bath or something, and then either his friend or something, he played a handpan. He was like, oh my god, I gotta get one. And then he looked for places in California and found us and came over and was stoked. We had a good little jam session, and then he was just so excited. It was pretty cool. Like when people finally get, like, they find out where the sound comes from and they finally get in front of a handpan and they play it, it's like, wow. And he was just like amazed, so he was excited. So yeah, happy customers today. It was Good Friday. But this week has been pretty crazy. Actually, has it been pretty great? No, it's actually been just busy. You know, there's a lot of things going on, I guess. Like today, or I think all the schools are out now. It's officially summertime school's out. So that's been kind of crazy, and I've been planning for the summer and stuff, and my mind's been boggled, so I haven't like put down any solid plans. But tomorrow we're gonna do the first live ukulele jam at the shop in the parking lot, and I think that's gonna be cool. There's gonna be a few people there, and they're gonna be excited. So more of that coming. Definitely more music. Today I was messing with my looper again because I got a new microphone. I was looking for a good mic that was like instrumental and voice, and my search came up with this one. I didn't even know they had this, the Beta 57A, and it's pretty cool. I liked it. I was just jamming I wanted to test it with my amp, and then I got new cables and all this other stuff, so I was testing it earlier with the looper, and I think it sounded okay. I need to work on the sound stuff more. There's like connections to get the right sound, or to get a bigger sound you have to do certain things, so I have to figure that out. Like I've been talking about, the looper just put me down a rabbit hole of sound and how to get it out of the amp out of the instruments into the amp and then correctly come out. And yeah, a lot of watching videos and then a lot of experimenting. I might have to get a little mixer, I think. And there was ways to do it where you can run the looper through the mixer. I know this is so technical, but I'm just talking to myself. Run the looper through a mixer and back the instruments back through, and then still get a good signal out. I have to figure that out, or I have to find a board that will do that. So more learning to do. But actually, I think I have a good person I can talk to, and I think I'm going to be calling Mr. Tom Prevost. He is Mr. I think Pedal Master. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think I'll be giving him a call to get his words of wisdom. Actually, I talked to him when I first started playing ukulele. Tom Prevost, slide digs guitarist, also worked with me at Verizon Yellow Pages, good friend, and loves music. And he knows about pedals and stuff. But what was I gonna say? He told me something in the beginning playing ukulele. I go, yeah, you have any advice for me if I want to learn how to play ukulele? He goes, play the music that you like. And I just go, wow, that was pretty crazy. He said, play the music you like. Because some people play the music that other people like and want to impress them. Instead, you want to play the music that you like. I think that's what he was getting at. So it's pretty cool, actually. And that's what I did. I just played the music that I like. And it's fun. And I took his advice to heart, and yeah, that's what I learned from it. But it's been great. It's been good advice, and actually, I think I need to go visit him again. I want to get his pedal knowledge, so I'll probably be calling him. Or he's called me a couple times. We were supposed to do some music stuff, but this COVID thing just messed everything up. It was right before COVID. He called me, let's do some music. I was like, oh yeah, sure. And then I think we both got busy, so whatever. Timing is everything, absolutely, and I'm learning that more and more. Timing is everything. That's my 2 cents for today. But anyways, this weekend, live show tomorrow, Ook show at the shop, and what else was I gonna do? Sunday is pretty open. It's Aaron's birthday this weekend, and I think the girls are trying to get me to go over and party. I've just not been in a party mood. It's kind of crazy. I think I just want to learn stuff, so my spare time is like scouring the YouTubes to learn things that I want to get done for music. That's what I do in my spare time. Or write music. Actually, that's one thing I need to do. I was just talking to the Ook Social the other night. It was kind of cool. And like Dean's all, hey, did you rewrite those songs? I'm all, nope, I haven't even looked at them. My 100-day songs, I'm going through them. I want to correct, because there's some mistakes in there, and I just want to make sure they're all correct and then do that. So I think I'll just take a day, because it's 100 songs. Whew. That was the hardest part of the Ook Social, was to rewrite the songs. So it's a good challenge. Or transcribe the songs or rewrite them. It's pretty rad. But anyways, it is Friday. It's June 11th. It's already late. It's already 8 o'clock. And I think we're ordering burgers. We're ordering burgers, Carrie?
Yes.
Yeah, baby. I guess I'm feeling a burger. I don't know. We'll see. I've been eating like really light stuff. No meat lately. So hopefully it'll settle okay in my stomach. That's 50-year-old or 49-year-old problems. I'm not 50 yet. But somebody in this room is 50.
You know what? Don't be a dick.
I'm not being a dick. I love you. I'm just messing with you. I'll be there soon enough, baby.
You're pretty.
But anyways, June 11th. I didn't do my tuning. I did tune today. It's late. I've been playing music all day, but I can give a quick one. Yeah. And like always, every day.
Keep
Keep-
on strumming ukulele.
Yeah. I'll see you guys on Monday.